Ready to ditch endless online scrolling and finally step inside your dream home? First, head over to Zillow.com, either on your computer or through the Zillow app on your phone or tablet. In the prominent search bar, type in the city or neighborhood where you're hoping to buy. For example, let's search for Austin, Texas. Make sure the Buy tab is selected at the top of the search results page. This ensures you're seeing homes for sale, not rentals. Next, look for the Filters button, typically located on the upper right-hand side of the screen. Click on it to open the filter options. Scroll down within the Filters menu until you find Open Houses. Check the box next to Open Houses to apply this filter to your search. Then, scroll to the bottom of the filter window and select Apply Filters. This will update your search results to only show properties with upcoming open houses. Now, take a look at the map view. You'll see icons indicating properties with scheduled open houses. Click on any of these icons to view more details about the property. On the property listing page, you'll find the date and time of the upcoming open house clearly displayed. You might also see a button to add to calendar or get directions to help you plan your visit. And that's it. You're now equipped to find and schedule visits to open houses on Zillow, bringing you one step closer to finding your perfect home. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tips and tricks. #OpenHouses #ZILLOW events.